tears, pain. You never left my side, you remained the same. And I'm so glad that you love me.
Hey Gems, it's Tayshawn Miller, and today I will be showing you how I took one of my clients' custom made wigs that I made for her and transforming it. So I made this wig for my client sometime last year, and it was done originally with some jerry curl hair, but as you can see, the jerry curl hair is like all old and it's tangly. So she asked me, could I recurl it? So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and brush out all the tangles in this wig. Okay, so you guys probably can see droplets of water. So you want to make sure that you dampen this wig with some warm water. I'm not sure if I'm going to show the actual spray bottle, but I did spray this wig with some warm water. I find that warm water, it kind of works a bit better versus using any cool water or hot water. And it just makes it much more easier to detangle it. With this being synthetic hair and curly, you definitely want to make sure you put something on it to help detangle it, because sometimes detangling it in just a dry state, the hair will pop more, it will shed more, and it's just overall a bit, harder to detangle. So to save time, I've already started rolling up my wig, and I'm just going to show you guys the way I am rolling it up so that you can see how I achieve the wand-like curls that I am going to achieve once it's done. So right now I am just using my spray bottle to just help with finishing up the detangling process at the top. And I just get my roller, I'm using perm rods, and I wrap around. That's what's going to give me the wand curl effect, versus just getting it and rolling it straight under and getting like a really tight curl. I didn't want that type of curl, so I'm just using the same motion that you would use when you are wand curling your hair. Okay, so now my hot water is boiling. I am going to go ahead and pour it into this container, and I'm going to go ahead and just submerge my entire wig down into that hot water. I did leave it in the water for about maybe, I want to say 3 minutes, 2-3 minutes. It doesn't need to stay long if you boil it and it gets really hot. I'm just using a plastic spoon to help further submerge it, and then I'm going to pour some more hot water on top just to make sure that everything is fully coated with the hot water. So now I am going to go ahead and check to make sure that they're all nice and dry and remove the rollers. I want to thank you all so much for joining me in this video. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Girl, what you waiting on? If you haven't hit that thumbs up, please hit that thumbs up for more videos. This was a highly requested video, so if you have a video that you would like for me to get out for you, please email me at chinkgirl@icloud.com, or just simply comment in the video and let me know that you have a video that you would like me to get out for you. Alright, so once I finish unrodding this roller set, I'm going to use some of my growth oil, which does amazing on synthetic hair, and I am going to go ahead and just use it to separate the curls. That's going to eliminate the curls getting all frizzy when I take them loose. And that's pretty much it. Just enjoy the rest of the video. I love you all. God bless. And I'll see you in my next video. Toodles.